Hello students, today we are going to discuss most probable velocity of the molecules of gases. Now, this is one of the types of velocities possessed by the gases. Now, most probable velocity is nothing but the velocity of maximum number of molecules of gas at given temperature. So, when we consider a certain number of molecules of gases, now the majority of the molecules possess a certain velocity which is just equal to one another, and that velocity possessed by the maximum number of molecules of gas at given temperature is nothing but the most probable velocity, which is denoted by what? Cp. Now, according to Maxwell's distribution of molecular velocities, one can give that Pc dc equals to 4 pi m upon 4 pi kt to the power 3 by 2 into c square into e to the power minus mc square by twice of kt dc. So, this is the Maxwell's distribution of molecular velocity. Now, this is supposed to be the equation number 1. Now, what we need to do? We need to differentiate this equation with respect to C. So, by differentiating equation 1 with respect to C, and remember, for what PCDC, we need to use what? dN by n. So, by using dN by n for PCDC, and we need to set the result just equal to 0 required for the maximum. So, and by setting results equal to what? 0 for as required for the maximum, as required for maximum. Why? Because we are interested in most probable velocity, that is the velocity of maximum number of molecules of gas. Now, by differentiating this with respect to C, what we get? So, d by dc of dN by n. Why? Because for PCDC we are using what? dN by n, which is just equal to what? m by twice of pi kt to the power what? 3 by 2 into what? e to the power minus mc square by twice of kt, and this is again into 8 pi c plus 4 pi c square into minus mc by kt, which is just equal to 0. And remember, we are setting the results just equal to 0 as required for maximum, as we are interested in calculating the most probable velocity, which happens to be the velocity of maximum number of molecules of the gas. Now, the factor, we are interested in this factor right now. It is a constant and non-zero, remember, and it is different from 0, remember. So, what? Factor, what? m by 2 pi kt to the power 3 by 2 is constant and different from 0, means it is not equal to 0. And now take care of the other factor. So, we are dealing with this factor right now. It is also not equal to 0, and factor what? e to the power minus mc square by twice of kt is not equal to what? 0. So, these two factors are non-zero factors, Thus the third factor which comes out, the third factor is given as. So from this we can conclude what? So 8 pi c plus 4 pi c square into what? Minus mc by kt as this, which is just equal to 0. Now for this most probable velocity in this very case, most probable velocity, what we can write is Cp, which is just equal to twice of kt by m to the power 1 by 2. Now we know very well that k is the Boltzmann's constant, which is just equal to r by Na, that is a gas constant by Avogadro's number. So further this can be given as, so Cp is just equal to twice of what? Rt by m to the power 1 by 2. So this is the most probable velocity of the molecules. Thank you very much.